What's up, YouTubers? Kumusta kayo mga kabaltek? I just want to share you my experience with this Hellcat Micro Compact on its first 100 rounds. So ito mga kabaltek, balitaan ko lang kayo tungkol dito sa Hellcat Micro Compact. Sa first 100 rounds niya. So what can I say? This Hellcat is really accurate. Very accurate to me. I love it. Yun. Napaka-accurate nito mga kabaltek. Gustong gusto ko. Yung tipong sa mo siya iasinta, swak talaga. And of course, for being a small micro compact pistol, it's really nice to me. If you want to have a CCW pistol, perfect. With a height of 4 inches and the length of 6 inches. Yeah, to me it's really perfect as a concealed carry. And yeah, tamang-tama to sa pang everyday use mga kabaltik. Very concealable with its size. The only thing, like what most people say about this Hellcat Micro Compact, is being snappy. It is really snappy. Like yun, while I'm using it, every time it snaps the recoil, it hurt my finger right here, the base of my thumb right here. It hurts. Or maybe it's because of the way I grip, or I don't know. But other than that, I love it. It's not really fun to use when you go to the range and for recreational stuff, because it's really snappy. Or maybe I can get used to it. Try to get used to it. Yun lang mga kabaltek, ano lang siya mapalag kasi nga maliit siya, micro compact. So expect mo pag malakas ang recoil ng ganyan, diba? Pero siguro yun nga, sanayan lang din para maggamay mo siya ng gusto. Yun. So yeah, for being a snappy micro compact, that's why I decided to order a rubber grip sleeve. So right now, not just a quick review that what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna do an unboxing too of this package, the rubber grip. That's the reason why I ordered this one, because of being snappy of this Hellcat. And I thought this might help. It might reduce the recoil or the snappiness, and may protect my finger too, my thumb. Let's see. Here it is. It's I don't know how you pronounce this, right? Hogue, whatever. Anyway, before I started this video, I already did a safety check, but let me do it one more time again. Alright, clear. So let's try to put this thing on. It's kind of a little bit stiff. It's a rubber, but it's a little bit stiff. So yun nga mga kabaltek, kaya nag-decide na akong bumili nitong rubber grip na to para baka ma-lessen ang recoil. Grabe sobrang hirap ikabit nitong goman to. Ang tigas ng pagka-rubber niya. tight. So to make it easier for me, I'm using a piece of plastic in between the frame and the rubber grip. So it would be easier on putting the rubber grip. Yan, ginamitan ko na ng plastic para mas madali ikabit. And now the rubber grip is on. Next, I need to remove this plastic from this. Okay na. Kabit na yung rubber grip. Tatanggalin ko na lang tong plastic na to. By the way, I got this plastic from an empty plastic bag of rice, which is kind of thick and flexible. There you go. Alright. It fits nice. So I'll update you again next time, guys. Hopefully this will reduce the snappiness and the recoil, and it won't hurt my hand anymore. Balitaan ko na lang kayo mga kabaltek. Thank you for watching. Salamat po.